and Dad.
What are we doing?
I'm making eggs.
Okay, stir it up with a fork. A fork will be better. Whip it up. Okay, good. Okay. Now, do you want to tear some cheese in there? Let's see what kind of a job you did.
Okay, Lily, here.
Okay, you gonna give Lily some? Okay, here, tear a little piece and put it in the egg.
Here, Lily.
Are you giving some to Lily and some to the egg? Wait, I got to see what Lily's doing. Okay, stir that up a little bit with your fork. Okay, good. Now let's put the lid on. Okay. Okay, we're going to put it in the microwave. Okay, I'm going to pause.
Eggs today.
Okay, it's in the microwave.
And microwaves are...
Now,
Okay.
you have to make the toast. Okay, good job. Put the other one in. Okay, and push the thing down. Push the knob. Be a good girl. Harder. Okay. There you go. We're gonna wait. Okay, go ahead. Open them up. Oh, let's just see here. Fluff them up a little bit. Do you need to cook any more?
I want to have
Here,
a taste.
taste it. Might be very hot. How is it?
Good.
Yeah? So who made eggs? You did. Say, tell your mom and dad, bye.
Bye.